Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool right here, and pretty much what this is a cordless pool cleaner or pool vacuum. You can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and this is what the product looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what's included inside. So once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. You can see how it's all well protected and everything, but let's take it all out. So first thing inside, they do provide guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it, and they provide some stuff inside. So let's take it out first. So here is the user manual. Here we do have the cable where to plug it in to actually recharge the product. Right here they do provide some stickers that you can use if you guys do want to. Right here we do have the accessory for you to tie on the product to pull it up when you're done using it, which is really nice. Here we do have one of the brush that I'm assuming is probably like a backup brush or something. And that is everything inside this bag. Let's see what else is inside. So it looks like the next thing inside is the actual product. So let's take it out. So once you guys do take it out, you can see how it's all nicely wrapped up. But let's take out the bag first. Once you guys take out from the bag, this is what the product looks like. So right here we do have the brand name. And it's about the product, you can see we do have 4 wheels, 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. And right here on this side, you can see we do have an option where let's open it. So let's do pull it up. You guys don't do the same thing for our side. And that will allow you guys to take it out. So once you guys do take it out, this actually looks like on this side. And here's the other side. So I'm assuming this side right here is where the water comes out to release the water when you guys do use it. Same thing for this side right here. And you do have the option for you to turn it to adjust the angle or degree that's on here. Let me see how it does show you guys the degree on there. Top part right here, we do have the cover for the charging option. So let's do unplug it. That's where it's going to plug in the cable to recharge it. And when you guys are not charging it, you have to close it back up to make sure none of the water get inside. And then right here, we do have the switch for you to turn it on. You can see how there's a blue light that turns on. If you guys turn it back the other way, that is how you guys turn it off. And they mention you guys don't want to turn it on unless you guys do have it in water. And they mention when you guys turn it on, you guys can put it into water within 20 seconds after turning on. But here's what the product looks like on this side. Here's this side. Here's the other side. And here's this side. If you see right here, we do have a string plate for the product. So there's one this side and one other side. If you see how when we do move it, the other side moves as well. So that is everything that's on the top part. Now I'm going to show you the bottom part. So here's what the other side looks like. So they do have the filter option right here, you can see. If you guys take it out, that is what the bottom part looks like. So I'm assuming all like the trash and the leaf will fall inside right here when you guys are done using it. And once you're done, you can pour it out. But here's what the product looks like on this side. Here is the side. Here is the front, the back, and then the bottom. So that is everything that's on the product. Let's put it back together first. So I'm seeing very easy and very simple for us to put it back together. And when you guys do move it, if you can see, it definitely works pretty well, but it does have a little bit squeaky noise on here. But you probably won't be able to hear it when you guys do put in the water. And the way how they designed the top part right here and this side as well, they do have a little handle for you guys to lift it up to carry around really easily if you guys do need to. And when you guys do feel the weight of the product, it definitely feels pretty lightweight. It's not like super lightweight like a pencil, but it's definitely pretty lightweight for a cordless pool cleaner. And pretty much the way how I set this part right here is by tying the rope onto this part, and this part right here should float on water when you guys use it. So that way wherever it goes, you guys can just pull this out and take it out really easily. And they mentioned the way how to design the product when the battery is low. The actual product knows how to actually go onto the side. So find the closest wall and actually goes to the wall to let you guys know that's low in battery, which is really nice. And they mentioned on one full charge can give you guys around 2 hours of usage when you guys do use it. And in terms of the coverage for the pool that is used, they mentioned how you can use it for 1,076 feet pool. If you guys use it for a pool bigger than that, it probably still will work. But it probably won't be enough time to help you guys clean the whole entire pool. So that is everything that's on the product. Let me just plug the cable to show you guys how to charge it first. So what you're going to do is plug the cable on top. And when you guys do plug it in, if you can see on the charger right here, they do have an indicator light to show you guys when it's charging or when it's full. When you guys see a red light, that means charging. And once it's fully charged, it should turn green. So once you guys do plug it in, you can see right here it's showing red. So that means the product is still charging. So once it turns green, then that means fully charged. So I'm going to charge up a little bit first, and I'll bring this over to my bathtub to show you guys a quick little test in terms of how well it works and what the product looks like when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here I do have a tub of water. So what I want to do is put this inside. But before we put it inside, you guys want to turn it on. So we guys do turn it on. Once you guys see the light turn on, you guys don't put it inside. So just drop it in. can see the product definitely does work. Let me turn off really quick. So obviously when you guys use a product, you want to use it in the pool. But for this test, I just want to show you guys what it looks like when you guys do use it. And obviously when you guys do use it, the whole entire thing should be fully submerged in water. But this test is not fully submerged in water because I just want to show you guys how the product works when you guys do use it. So obviously when you guys use it in the pool, it'll go in like a zigzag motion or something and not back and forth with this because this is all the space that it has. So you see how on both sides the water blasts out, and that is how the actual product moves left and right or forward and backward. So once you guys are done using it, what you can do is just lift it up and just pour out the water really easy. Let me show you what I mean. Once you guys do take it out, you guys can open it up and pour the trash inside just like how I showed earlier. And once you guys are done, you just put it on one side to let it dry until the next time you guys use it again. So that is how you guys use the product. You can see it does work. So once you guys open the inside, this is what the inside looks like. You can see how there's some water inside that you probably want to pour out. But that is how you guys open it up and pour out the trash or the leaves or debris inside after you guys finish using it. If you guys are curious about where the leaves and everything will go inside, it goes inside right here. And this as well. So once it sucks like the water inside right here, the debris will be stuck inside on the other side. And the water will come out on the side right here. And that is where the water pressure comes out to actually push it left and right, just the way I saw earlier. So right here we got the product. First thing I have to do is install this on the bottom. Just push it in to lock in. Just like that. Once you guys do that, you can tie the rope on the top. So once you guys tie the rope on top, this is what the product looks like. And then for this part right here, it should float. So let's put it inside and test it out to see how it works. So what I do is turn it on. And once you guys see the indicator light pops on, you guys can put it in. Don't dump this in as well. And it starts working immediately, if you can see. So just to give you guys an idea what the pool looks like, there's a lot of leaf. So far it's been almost like 20 or 30 minutes. If you see how I actually covered a good amount, like how the middle part right here is already empty, but the side stove not clean yet. So you see how once it's out of battery, it does turn red on the actual switch, and it does go on the side. So I'm gonna bring it back up from the water. Let's turn it off. So you see how the bottom is all full. So we want to take it out and then we can use it again if you want to. But let's open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So you see how it's all full. So the product definitely does work. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of product definitely actually does work and should work quite well. Literally once you guys turn it on and put it into the water, it starts working immediately and within a few seconds. And when you guys do lift it up, all the water just drip out from the side, just like what I mentioned earlier. And once you guys are done using it, you can just take it out and put it on one side to let it dry. And once it dries up, then you guys are ready to use it again next time when you guys want to clean it. If you guys don't want to make a mess everywhere, you do want to make sure all the water comes out first, or most of the water comes out before you guys open it. Otherwise, you guys do have water everywhere. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality cordless pool cleaner that can help you guys suck up all the leaves, the debris, and everything in your pool, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one. And save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.